Hi, welcome to the Twofold channel. I'm Papi Mabele, the founding editor of Twofold. We've been spending some time with the 2021 Audi A4. And although we've shown you everything from the outside and inside, I think it's time to focus on the MyAudi Connect app. I'm going to be showing you exactly how the app works and it links to the vehicle and my personal favorite features of the app. Let's have a look. So let me show you the features of the MyAudi app. Once you open the app, you can see snapshots of what your vehicle looks like, the exact specification on the car. Then it shows you the vehicle status when you last connected with the car, or when last it was actually updated or to sync through with application. Then there are details of any warnings that there might be on the vehicle that the car will alert you of what's happening with the car. Then it gets to the fun stuff where you talk about the MyAudi Connect services. So first up here is where you can lock and unlock the vehicle remotely. You can be anywhere in the world really and still be able to lock and unlock your car. Then you can signal the car here on this option where your vehicle should be in park and it can hoot and either flash your hazards. And then it shows you the unlock and unlock history as to exactly when the vehicle was locked or either unlocked or started remotely via the app. So it's like a statement of sorts that shows you exactly what happened. Then when it comes to your vehicle alerts, it shows you the theft and location, if your interior alarm is on or whether it's disturbed, and then again you can reset it and continue using the app. Then with the geofencing alert, it allows you to actually geofence where your vehicle can go location-wise. So say for instance, you have kids, they're using your vehicle, but you don't want them to cross a certain radius. You can create a geofence alert where you tell the vehicle it can only travel within 5-kilometer radius, 10-kilometer radius, 3-kilometer radius, whatever the situation may be. You can tell it exactly how far they can travel. Should they go outside of that radius, the app will alert you, and then you can contact whoever's driving your vehicle to alert them that, hey, I didn't authorize for you to go out of this range, etc. With a speed alert, should someone else again be driving your vehicle, it can alert you should you exceed a certain speed via notification on the app. So it does really come handy should you have other people driving your vehicle or making use of your vehicle where you can monitor how they're driving it and you know exactly where they're driving it. The valet alert is great for exactly that. When you have a valet using the car, you can activate it to set the vehicle or to give it certain authorizations where whoever's driving or the valet is driving, they have certain features only. When it comes to user management in the app, this is where all your personal stuff in terms of either financials, service, booking, you know, those kind of things, this is where it all comes into play with your MyAudi Connect. You can also add additional users to your profile. So say for instance, you have a partner and you want them also to have access to your MyAudi Connect and the vehicle as well. So you can add them here as well. So the Audi, or the MyAudi app does come handy when you have to manage your vehicle remotely, or you just want to make sure that whoever is driving your vehicle at a certain point in time gets only authorized certain features of the vehicle and that they're using your vehicle the way that you would use it. Personally, I think the MyAudi Connect app is a great leap for the auto industry. Here we see where auto and tech work together seamlessly in harmony. Let us know about your favorite feature of the MyAudi Connect app in the comments below. Again, thank you for joining us. Have a good one.